Top Chiliz holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Chiliz. So, my friends, you know what? In a previous time, the Chiliz absolutely going good, but unfortunately, at this time, in the last 60 minutes, the price of Chiliz falls down. So, that's not mean, my friends, that in the 60 minutes the price falls down, so you decide to sell, my friends. No, that's not a rule of cryptocurrencies market. If you want profit, so you have to hold for a long time, my friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. It is time. First of all, the latest price of the Chiliz is 0.283344 USD dollar is the latest price of the Chiliz. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Chiliz, so you can see here from the yesterday, only the last 1 hour, the last 60 minutes pricing is negative, except of the last 1 hour, last 60 minutes the pricing is going positive. The last 20, last 1 week, the whole changes is going good, my friends. Let me show you the price chart. My friends, you know what, from last 1 hour, I think from the previous last 2 hours, the price of Chiliz is going down. But my friends, don't worry about that. This is the temporary fast. You can see this time also fast down occur, but after fast they again start jumping. So that is a temporary fast, and don't be afraid by this fast, my friends. That is a temporary. With the passage of time, the price will again start pumping, my friends. And at this time also, in a previous time, as I show you that the last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is positive. So that's mean that the massive gains occur by change in the previous time. But now this time the price falls down for a temporary, so you have to hold, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.